welcome again if you're a returning viewer. So today we are going to be learning half treble crochets. So it's another basic stitch video, and yeah, so let's get started, shall we? You're going to want your yarn and your hook. So we're going to start by making our slip knot like so. And for the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to chain 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And in our third chain from the hook, that's where we're going to insert our hook. So you're going to yarn over 3 times, so you're going to yarn over 2 times, and in the third chain from the hook, we are going to insert our hook, yarn over and pull through. And we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You'll see that we have 3 loops left on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 remaining loops. So yarn over 2 times, so again, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 loops on your hook. Okay, and we're going to do that to the end of the row, and this is how we do our half treble crochet. So once that's your first row, now to do the next row, chain 2 or 3 times, and what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over again, yarn over twice again, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 loops. And we're just going to keep doing that. And remember, you need to insert your hook into both loops of the previous row. So if you look, there are 2 loops at the top. We are inserting into underneath both, really. And it is that simple. And there you have it, our half treble crochet. Join me on my other socials. I am on Instagram, Facebook, and Threads, you name it, pretty much. TikTok. I do post some of my tutorials on TikTok if they are not too long. And I am a pattern designer, so check out my Etsy store for various different patterns. And join me on Patreon if you want to support me. Every patron gets a free pattern at least once a month. Depending on your tier, depends on how many you get and exactly how complicated they are. But everyone gets a free pattern if they are a paid member. Or you can join me on Ko-fi. I also release behind the scene content and little teasers as to what I'm working on next. So I hope to see you across all of that. Bye!